adding and subtracting fractions, and today is our last lesson for this module. Learning target: I can add and subtract fractions. So basically today we are going to be adding and subtracting fractions. So I have two problems here. 2/4 plus 1/4 equals, and number 2 is 3/5 plus 2/5. Now let's start with the first one. Now you might be thinking that you have to add the both numerators, and you could get 3 like that, and you have to add the both denominators and you get 8. But that is wrong, because the denominators always stay the same. So you have 2 4s, they always stay the same because the number of, like, pretend, let's do this. You have a pie, you have this, so, and then someone eats this piece. Let's just shade it in. And then you shade in this piece. And now when you want to shade in one more piece, you like, the denominator stays the same, because you don't like make another of this and then like do this. You don't do that. So you just shade in one other piece. So, and then you get 3/4. So you have to remember this. The denominator always stays the same. So the answer is 3/4. Another way you could do this is just by adding the numerators, which is 3, and then just keeping the denominator the same. Now for this one, we have 3/5 plus 2/5. Let's put this, well, a circle will be harder to do. So let's just do it in a bar model. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So first, what you have to do is, you have 3/5. So 1, 2, 3. And then you have to shade in 2 more. So now all of the pieces are covered. So you get 3 plus 2 is 5/5. Or another way you could say it is 1 whole. Because when you shade the whole thing in, it's a whole. That is how you add fractions. Now let's do a few problems on subtracting fractions. So over here, let's do 6 out of 8 minus 3 out of 8 equals. So what you could do is, you could do 8 of these, so you make 8 pieces. So let's put it in half first, because it's an even number. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's make a Okay, now we have 4 pieces on this side, so half. 1, 2, okay. Now we have 8 pieces. Let's do 6 pieces first. So someone ate 6 pieces. And then you have to subtract 3 pieces. So what you have to do is, all you have to do is cross these things out. And then you get 3 over here, which is 3, out of 8. So also another way you could do this is just subtract the numerators. So 6 minus 3 equals 3. The denominator always stays the same, so you get 8. So the answer is 3 out of 8. And that's all for today.